Okay, this is section 18 of my Jewellery Design in ZBrush course. So in this lecture, this section, we're going to explore how we can create some quite individual ring designs based on a kind of organic shape, and also get our diamonds and our placement of our diamonds or anything else to actually run over the surface. Now we're going to be looking at Nanomesh for stone settings in the design. So Nanomesh basically means we can choose each of the polygons of the model, which in this case are these here, and we can actually assign, when we've got a optimized piece, we can assign it to actually create a ring pattern or the diamond placement, the pegs for the diamonds. So it's quite involved, this section. There's quite a few lectures contained within it because it is quite complex, but it's always building on the section before. So you can see when I go down to some of the fun rings down in the bottom sections, let me just turn some of this stuff off so you can sort of see our fun ring there. So we got this kind of effect going on, and I think I've got some of the other diamonds and stuff on here, but you can see you can create some pretty cool things, and this is all using Nanomesh, or create an instant of an object and getting it to duplicate over the surface of something else. So it's very cool, very powerful, and definitely worth you guys knowing about it for sure. I've also got a mandrel here which cuts through the ring, so very powerful stuff. You can see I've cut through there. If I turn the mandrel off, you can see those. So that's how you can get it smooth on the inside. So this is quite an unusual section because it kind of opens your mind up to new ways of using ZBrush to produce jewelry. And again, with this course, I'm always trying to push the envelope on what we can do and teach you all of the skills and all of the techniques. Even if you don't use them, if you're aware of them, it's always something that could pop up that you go, oh, actually, I in the course there was something about applying something to each of the polygons, and straight away you can come back to section 18 and you can recap yourself on using Nanomesh for stone setting and design. So this is an exceptionally good section to kind of try and remember. At least it's quite involved, but as the course is up to section 18 it's getting more involved, but it's definitely a fun one to play around with for sure. So that's section 18 of the Jewellery Design in ZBrush course.